Are you making these 5 running mistakes? Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Easy Running, and let's talk running. Look, everyone's got to start somewhere, right? We've all been there. That feeling when you're just starting out, lacing up your shoes and hitting the pavement. But let me tell you, there are some common mistakes that can really hold you back from crushing those miles. Today, I'm serving up the secrets to avoid those pitfalls, stay injury-free, and seriously up your running game. Let's do this. Okay, first up, let's talk warm-ups. I get it, we're all busy, right? You've got your day planned, your run scheduled, and the last thing you want to do is waste time on something that feels, I don't know, kind of pointless? But here's the deal. Skipping your warm-up is like forgetting to put oil in your car engine. Sure, it'll run for a bit, but eventually, it's gonna seize up on you. Think of your muscles like those rubber bands you used to flick in school. Leave them in the cold and they snap. But warm them up, stretch them out, and they're ready for action. 5 to 10 minutes, that's all it takes. A little bit of leg swings, some high knees, maybe a brisk walk to get that blood pumping. Trust me, your body will thank you. You'll feel looser, run smoother, and avoid those nasty injuries that can sideline you for weeks. And who wants that, right? Nobody. So do yourself a favor, give your body the respect it deserves, and warm up. All right, next up, we gotta talk about overtraining. This is a big one, guys. See, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that more is always better. More miles, more speed, more often. But when it comes to running, that kind of thinking can really backfire on you. Pushing your body too hard too often is a surefire way to hit a wall. Burnout, fatigue, injuries, you name it. It's like trying to run a marathon every single day. Eventually, your body's gonna say enough is enough. Listen to your body, give it the rest it needs. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your runs should be easy, enjoyable even. Save the remaining 20% for those days when you're feeling good and want to push the pace. And don't even think about skipping rest days. That's when the real magic happens. Your body recovers, rebuilds, gets stronger. So give yourself a break, all right? Next, your feet's worst nightmare, the wrong shoes. Let's talk shoes, people. I cannot stress this enough. Wearing the right running shoes is absolutely crucial. Think about it. Your feet are taking a beating with every stride you take. They're the unsung heroes of your runs, and they deserve to be treated right. Wearing the wrong shoes is like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. It's just not going to end well. Blisters, pain, long-term injuries, all because you didn't take the time to find the right fit. So do yourself a favor and head down to a running specialty store. These guys know their stuff. They'll analyze your gait, your foot type, and hook you up with the perfect pair. And don't forget, shoes don't last forever. They wear down, lose their support, and become a liability. Replace your running shoes every 300 to 500 miles, or sooner if you start to feel any discomfort. Trust me, your feet will thank you in the long run. All right, let's talk about form. Now, I'm not talking about looking all pretty and graceful while you run, although that's a bonus if you can swing it. I'm talking about efficiency, power, and avoiding those pesky injuries. Poor running form is like trying to drive a car with the wheels out of alignment. It might work for a little while, but eventually something's gotta give. So, what does good running form look like? Think upright posture, relaxed shoulders, and a nice smooth stride. Land with your feet under your body, not way out in front. Keep your arms swinging naturally and don't clench your fists. Nobody wants to fight with the pavement, right? Small adjustments to your form can make a world of difference in your comfort, efficiency, and speed. So pay attention to how you're running. Maybe even film yourself and analyze your stride. You might be surprised at what you find. Last but not least, let's talk fuel, people. You wouldn't try to drive a car without any gas, would you? Well, your body's the same way. Trying to run on an empty tank is a recipe for disaster. You'll feel sluggish, lightheaded, and your performance will plummet. So, before you lace up those shoes, make sure you've got some fuel in the tank. A light snack like a banana, some toast, or a handful of nuts will give you the energy you need to power through your run. And don't forget about hydration. Dehydration can sneak up on you, especially on those hot summer runs. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and consider bringing a water bottle or an electrolyte drink with you on longer runs. Remember, staying hydrated is key to performing your best and feeling good mile after mile. And there you have it. 5 common running mistakes and the secrets to overcoming them. Remember, running is a journey, and small changes can lead to big improvements over time. Which mistake are you going to tackle first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips from Easy Running. Until next time, happy running.